Years passed in peace beneath the waves. The forgotten beasts, long before humans walked the earth. Colossal sea creatures ruled the oceans. They were sealed. The Omen. One night, Maria sensed it. The pearl pulsed with unease, and the waters grew colder. She swam to the edge of the trench. Voice rumbled. Guardian, you hold what was once ours. Its eyes burning red burst from the trench. Creatures thought only to exist in nightmares. The struggle. For the first time, Maria felt fear. The revelation, as the battle raged. The pearl whispered to her, "You are not alone. My power is." The largest leviathan rose against Maria, jaws wide enough to swallow a ship whole. Thrust forward her body, becoming a living wave of light. She struck the beast's heart, and its roar echoed across the world above, making sailors tremble at sea. The end. Or the beginning? The trench sealed again, the beasts imprisoned once more. Silence fell. Maria floated above the pearl, exhausted but victorious. The deep never sleeps forever, and when it does, you must be stronger than ever, and so